Let's check out the Punta Cana Airport. Are you tired of the blah winter weather or just need a break? And you're heading to the sunny hot Caribbean? Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. The first thing you do is arrive and get through the airport. Let's do a walk through the Punta Cana Airport so you can see what to expect. We're at G&J on Vacay. And if you already subscribed to our channel, hey, welcome back and thanks a lot. If you aren't a subscriber, please watch our video. We hope you like it. If you do, please give it a like and please consider subscribing. All right, let's get to the video. When you arrive at Punta Cana Airport, there's no boarding ramps. Your plane will stop and you are shuttled to the terminal on a bus. You'll notice that the terminal has a very tropical look. You get that feeling, hey, you're in the Caribbean. When you enter the terminal, you immediately head to the line for immigration. Once you get through immigration, you head to the luggage pickup area. Again, you'll notice the terminal has that open-air tropical feel. You really start feeling like your vacation is starting. After you get your luggage, you head to a security area where your bags are scanned. Then it's time to find your transfer company that's taking you to your resort. There'll be lots of people that are trying to sell you stuff, especially transfers. Ignore them. Find your own transfer company's kiosk. Once you do, they will lead you to your pickup area. Don't forget, if you're enjoying our video and you want to see more, then come aboard and subscribe to our channel. Before you know it, you're in the vehicle heading to your resort. Your vacation is starting. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give us that like. And if you have any questions, please send us a comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out the link to another one of our Punta Cana videos. Remember, life is short, but the world is wide.